Welcome again, hero fighters. Let's start the training test now.
1. Solid-fueled salamanders are also known as A. Coke pots, B. Ember stoves, C. Charcoal burners, D. Wood heaters. 2. Solid-fueled salamanders provide optimal heat via A. Direct flame contact always, B. Radiant heat transfer mainly, C. Convection to floor above, D. Forced air circulation unit. 3. How far must solid fuel heaters be from tarpaulins? A. At least 5 feet, B. At least 15 feet, C. At least 20 feet, D. At least 10 feet. 4. What is required on the floor above a heated area? A. Additional ventilation fans, B. An escape hatch, C. Water supply source, D. Fire blanket station. 5. Kerosene must be stored in what type of enclosure? A. Metal, ventilated, locked, B. Heavy-duty plastic bin, C. Wooden, sealed cabinet, D. Fireproof fabric container. 6. Kerosene heaters are typically used for A. General comfort heating, B. Curing large concrete slabs, C. Masonry and wet trades, D. Outdoor event heating. 7. FDNY permit is required for gasoline storage over A. 1 gallon on site, B. 5 gallons on site, C. 10 gallons on site, D. 2.5 gallons on site. 8. What marking should tanks for flammable liquids bear? A. Handle with extreme care, B. Combustible material inside, C. Store in cool place, D. Flammable keep fire away. 9. Max capacity for approved safety cans for kerosene transfer. A. 5 gallons, B. 10 gallons, C. 2 gallons, D. 1 gallon. 10. How should a fuel spill be handled initially? A. Wash down with water, B. Cover with plastic sheet, C. Use absorbent material, D. Ventilate area immediately. 11. LPG salamanders are prohibited in A. Any occupied building, B. Areas below ground level, C. Buildings over 3 stories, D. Sites without sprinklers. 12. LP gases are naturally A. Pungent and irritating, B. Sweet-smelling always, C. Heavier than the air, D. Colorless and odorless. 13. What is the expansion rate of LP gas from liquid to vapor? A. Expands 100 times volume, B. Expands 269 times volume, C. Expands 50 times volume, D. Expands 500 times volume. 14. Cylinders not meeting FDNY timeframes should be A. Used with extra caution, B. Repaired on the site, C. Marked for discount sale, D. Not accepted by user. 15. How must standard LP gas cylinders be positioned during use? A. Upright position, B. Tilted for better flow, C. Horizontal on flat surface, D. Does not matter much. 16. What does an excess flow check valve do? A. Prevents overfilling cylinder, B. Regulates gas pressure, C. Shuts off gas in rupture, D. Indicates low fuel level. 17. A protective collar on an LPG cylinder protects what? A. The cylinder base mainly, B. The pressure relief valve, C. The main body shell, D. The cylinder control valve. 18. How are regulator connections with left-handed threads tightened? A. Turning them clockwise always, B. Using specialized wrench only, C. Turning counterclockwise, D. Hand tight then quarter turn. 19. Hoses for LP gas appliances must be approved for A. Working pressure of 150 psi. B. Working pressure of 350 psi. C. Low temperature flexibility. D. High abrasion resistance. 20. Where must extra LPG cylinders be at end of workday? A. Taken outside the building. B. Locked inside office. C. Stored on highest floor. D. Kept near the heaters. 21. A permit is needed for LPG storage exceeding A. 100 SCF approximate 12 pounds. B. 200 SCF approximate 24 pounds. C. 400 SCF approximate 47 pounds. D. 50 SCF approximate 6 pounds. 22. Natural gas is often informally referred to as A. Propane or butane. B. Methane gas, always. C. Simply gas. D. Utility fuel. 23. Natural gas is score than air. A. Significantly heavier always. B. Slightly heavier usually. C. Similar density to air. D. Lighter and tends to rise. 24. How often should temporary natural gas piping be marked? A. Once every 10 feet. B. Once every 50 feet. C. At least every 30 feet. D. Only at connection points. 25. How many heaters may be connected to each shut-off valve for natural gas? A. A maximum of 2. B. A maximum of 6. C. A maximum of 8. D. A maximum of 4. 26. Defective gas piping and fittings shall be A. Repaired by COF holder. B. Wrapped with sealant tape. C. Replaced, not repaired. D. Used until new parts arrive. 27. Who designates the fire safety manager at a construction site? A. The lead COF holder. B. The building owner. C. The FDNY inspector. D. The site safety coordinator. 28. If a gas leak ignites, what is the first action? A. Extinguish flame immediately. B. Call fire department 911. C. Try to cap the leak. D. Ventilate the entire area. 29. Fire extinguishers for portable heaters excluding solid fuel require what minimum rating if travel is up to 50 feet? A. 20 BC rating. B. 10 AC rating. C. 60 BC rating. D. 40 BC rating. 30. Solid fuel, coke, salamanders require what rated extinguisher per 1,000 square feet? A. 1 with a 4A rating. B. 2 with 2A ratings. C. 1 with a 10B rating. D. 1 with a 20C rating.